Welcome back to the Robbins LLP podcast. Today, we're discussing new allegations involving Capricor Therapeutics, ticker CAPR. A securities class action has been filed on behalf of investors who purchased Capricor securities between December 17, 2025 and July 26, 2026. Capricor is a biotechnology company developing cell and exosome-based therapeutics for rare diseases, including Duchenne muscular dystrophy.
The lawsuit centers on Capricor's lead product candidate, deramiocel, an investigational cell therapy intended to address cardiac and skeletal muscle complications associated with Duchenne muscular dystrophy. According to the complaint, Capricor submitted a biologics license application to the FDA in late 2024. In July 2025, the FDA issued a complete response letter stating that the application did not meet the statutory requirement for substantial evidence of effectiveness and requested additional clinical data.
Plaintiff alleges that despite this setback, Capricor continued to make positive statements about deramiocel's clinical results and prospects for approval, while failing to disclose material information about changes to the pre-specified statistical analysis plan used to evaluate data from the Phase 3 HOPE-3 trial. The complaint states that Capricor adopted changes to the statistical analysis plan without FDA agreement, creating a significant risk that the agency would conclude the clinical results did not provide substantial evidence of effectiveness.
Plaintiff argues that this created a substantial risk to regulatory approval for deramiocel, and that defendants' positive statements about Capricor's business, operations, and prospects lacked a reasonable basis. Capricor's stock price fell $12.70, or approximately 64%, closing at $7 per share.
2 days later, on July 29th, the FDA Advisory Committee met to discuss the deramiocel application. According to the complaint, the committee relied on Statistical Analysis Plan version 1.1 as the pre-specified plan, and in a non-binding 9-3 vote, concluded that the available evidence did not support deramiocel's efficacy for treating Duchenne-associated cardiomyopathy.
Following this news, Capricor stock fell another $2.38, or approximately 36%, closing at $4.19 per share on July 30th, again on unusually heavy trading volume. Robbins LLP is now investigating whether Capricor misled investors about the path to FDA approval for deramiocel and whether key risks related to regulatory review were improperly withheld.
If you purchased Capricor shares during the class period, you may be eligible to participate in the lawsuit. Some investors may also choose to serve as lead plaintiff, the representative party who helps direct the litigation. Representation is on a contingency fee basis. Shareholders pay no fees or expenses. That's today's update. Thanks for joining us on the Robbins LLP podcast. Stay informed, and we'll see you next time.